chance mutations, natural selection, and vast periods of time. Chance mutations are those very rare moments when there is a problem in reproduction and the chromosomes get distorted and a mutation takes place. There's a problem in the genes. And the problem with mutations as a mechanism for evolution is that it is extremely rare, almost zero, to find a mutation that is beneficial. Mutations are almost always harmful to the creature that has the mutation. And in the lower right-hand corner of my illustration there, you can see a baby duck. That's a very common, well-documented mutation. The duck has 4 feet. And I'm sure they probably try to get some evidence out of that for evolution, but I would not say that was a very beneficial mutation, would you? Natural